Anyway, we're at the top of the waterfall. It's taken us a while, partly because of terrain and altitude, but partly because we've been having fun finding stuff. We're here having a little snack break and stuff, and I'm really hungry. I'm hoping we can get to at least one of the lakes before it gets too late. So anyway, that's an update. Well, the wildflowers are starting to come out. Uh-huh. Oh wow, look at the water pour off of the edge of the snow into the creek. Whoop. Does it go falling into the creek? Do you remember what I told you about self-arrest? You start sliding, turn around, grab a pole, and dig in. And spread your arms and legs out, well, your legs out wide anyway. Ready for this? Take your time. Oh boy. It's soft, that's for sure. Hey, maybe you should wait until I go up, because if I slide back, I don't want to knock you out. Okay? All right. Say hello. Doing great. Oh man, that's steep. That was the easy part. Look what we got to climb. Not too bad, huh? I think we'll see a lake. Steep and rugged. It's steep and rugged. What a great training hike. Trail is pretty much indiscernible now, but there's lots of interesting looking rocks and everything's covered in bright yellow lichen. Very dark, black looking rocks. Shiny. Just taking a picture of flowers. Pretty sure that's the duck. I'm seeing ducking, so we're on the trail. Oh jeez, the rock moved. Hey, we're getting close to the lake, I think. It looks like there might be a lake up there, but could be wrong. I think it's still that way. Anyway. The question is, you can't be up on over that. It's there. That's the trail. Angle this way. I hope this isn't as sketchy as it looks, because it looks pretty sketchy. Okay. turn it off to the side again. This way. We didn't make it to the lake. It's now about to be 1 o'clock, which is a turnaround time. So we don't want to be climbing down this mountain in the dark with a used trail. We're close, but the trail has gotten difficult to find, even with the Garmin showing us where it is. It's faint. It's really faint. We are in a pretty place. Some camping spots right here and stuff, and there's Beth. And we're tired. It's been, I made a wrong turn because of some ducks, and so we ended up going up the steep, rocky, well, you would have seen the video already, area. We ended up turning back because once we got high enough we could see the actual trail. And we got up here, and it's just, if I hadn't gotten us on that detour, we probably could have made it, but I just don't have time to find the trail right now. If it was an established trail, I don't think it'd be too much of a problem, because we're practically at the junction, wherever that is, and from there it's supposed to be a half mile to one of the lakes. But there's still a lot of climbing, so I don't know. But it's just, we're gonna have to turn around. We're gonna eat and drink, and turn around.
Well, of course, now that we're dying down, throwing water from the...
It's so good. There's fish in there too. Oh man, that wind hit us so hard I almost fell in twice. So we think there might be some sort of geothermal activity going on with the holes there, and we hope bubbles coming up. And this water actually is a little bit warmer than this. I don't know if it's because it's sitting in the sun or what, but it's not as cold. And I did see bubbles coming up over here too. Maybe, I don't know.
Oh, the bubble just came up. There too.
Yeah, I don't know. That's because I can't explain those holes. That's weird. And it is a different color. So I don't know. That's strange. That's strange. Oh man, what a view. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. It's just weird, the color difference there, and it just changes. Oh, it's so weird. Do I have a picture of that? So there's spiders all over the place in this grass. It's crazy. I don't know. This place is weird, but I like it.